Bro, keep going.
He's probably waiting for food. Watch your head. He's coming low. God, he's huge. Watch your heads. He is huge.
Next time he comes, he's laying out.
Hey, buddy. I wish I could fly.
We should you should try.
Make sure he doesn't attack you, Aiden.
Ah.
He's coming for you. He is coming for you. I ain't got nothing, buddy.
Peed on? I'll give you a water bottle. Peed on me.
I've never seen a bird do that.
I'm gonna...
As big as that, too.
Oh, yeah.
Good Lord. I think we're getting ready to get robbed or something.
There's one over there too, Mom.
Watch out. He's probably hoping we have food.
Tell me your phone. You leave me alone.
Oh, God, he's so big.
Bro, I'm scared. He feels like he's gonna kill my phone. I think he doesn't have phone. He's so big. Wait, he
Good
left?
Lord, he's so close.
No, he didn't leave.
Look how fast he's going.
Just from turning around.
All he's doing is gliding, too.
So he's coming in.
Hey, buddy. Hold on, I want to see if I can get a close-up to him. Hey, buddy. That is a...
He's trying.
Well, that's because of the lift.
He's trying to take me out.
Okay, go all the way over to the rail and come up in.
He uses that lift. All right, buddy. All right, all right.
Oh, big
You should record coming up the rail.
I'm going to try to get him. He's getting shorter here.
Where'd he go? Let Dad go first. Dad, come on, you're going first.
Yeah, hold on.
Watch out, Blake. Drop your head.
Do not get over there. Get off that.
Oh, damn it. He's not coming back now. Damn it.
Yeah, he's in the water.